Hey guys, this is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Yeah, it only just came out like 2-3 weeks ago, maybe a bit longer, I can't remember. I only just decided to buy it yesterday. I bought it yesterday but forgot to make a video, so we'll make one now. Better late than never. I might show you guys the box first. Well, actually it's a case. Yeah, it actually comes in a case, so that's pretty good. Here's the stabilization. Hyper Smooth 3.0. 3.0. That's pretty good because the GoPro Hero 8 has 2.0, so must be pretty good. The stabilization must be pretty good. Here's the what the camera looks like. Picture of it. It's got a screen on the front, which is really good. Really good. Here are the camera features. 20MP. That's pretty good. 5K 30. That is really good. And it even comes with the 4K 60s. And 33 feet, 10 meters. That's waterproof. And it also has 1080p live streaming. Never tried the live streaming with a GoPro, but wouldn't mind giving it a go sometime in the future. See what it's like. This side of the box shows what's inside. Well, yeah, shows you the camera. Of course it does. Shows you a battery, a screw, some attachments to connect it to other stuff. That's why it's got a screw as well. Here's the cord to charge it and attach it to your computer, laptop, so you can get all the footage off. It actually shows the case. The case that's here. Yeah. Here is all the features that the camera has. Like, you can see the 20MP, the 5K 30, 4K 60. It even says 1080p 2040. The waterproof. Yeah. And here's other features. It's got voice control. 8x slow-mo, data overlays. I don't know what data overlays are, but must be pretty good. Time warp 3.0. Okay. 1080p live streaming, it said that. Super Photo HDR. I heard that the photos from this camera is pretty good. Pretty good. WAR. I've heard that before. I think it means, I don't know what it means exactly. Webcam mode. Webcam mode. Oh, pretty good. And touchscreen. Also, Hyper Smooth 3.0. Nice. Okay. The case. It's a pretty good case. Okay. It's bigger. It's bigger than the other two. Yeah, big. The lens screen, back screen, so front and back screen. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the button here. Battery. The battery goes through here. And here's recording. Here's the charger cord. Yeah. Nice. Battery. It's got to come with a battery. And here's the little attachments. Oh, what's... And in here is instructions and all that. Subscribe to GoPro. Unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage. No questions asked. Camera replacement. Up to 50% off mount and accessories at GoPro.com. Up to $100 off your next GoPro. Ooh. Here's all the instructions, which I'll have to have a look at. Oh, and I think these are stickers. Yeah. And just this booklet. Product that will probably have product questions. So nice. What's even best is I get a case. I forgot to show you guys the screw. Yeah, this was what I was talking about when I was showing you guys the box. Okay, time to plug it in. It's glowing red. Okay, time to leave it alone for a couple of hours. Okay, here it is, fully charged. Let's turn it on now. Okay. Oh, it says the number. Well, did. It's a bit too bright, so you probably couldn't see it. Yeah. Let's turn it around. I really like the rectangle screen. I'm not going to be able to film with it tonight because it's dark now. It nearly took 4 hours to charge. But I might do some recording with this camera and show you guys the clips that it catches, which I hope to do over the next few days. Okay, I'm gonna sign off.